If you appear to have black slime coming out of your tap, this is almost certainly nothing to do with the quality of your water supply. What you are seeing is a mould that thrives on damp, warm surfaces, just like you'll find growing on kitchen or bathroom surfaces, such as tiles, toilet cisterns or shower curtains. This mould also likes to grow on your taps. Cleaning with an ordinary detergent may solve the problem temporarily, but it won't fully get rid of the mould. To do this, you must kill the mould with a bleach-based disinfectant. A food-grade disinfectant or a sterilising fluid, such as used for babies' bottles, is needed for taps. A useful tip is to use an old toothbrush to give the tap a good clean with the disinfectant, including inside the spout. Then let the tap run to wash away the disinfectant and mould. This should sort the problem out, but if it doesn't, then please call us for further advice on 0800 052 0130.